Good morning, Octopus. Really easy maths lesson for you today, recapping something we've done lots and lots of times. We are dividing a one-digit number by 10. If you need any additional support, please log on to the White Rose website and look for the topic dividing one-digit number by 10. So, how would we go about these calculations? 7 divided by 10. So looking at our place value grid, we have 7 as a whole number, and if we are dividing by 10, we know we are making it 10 times smaller. So we are moving the digit one place to the right, which would become 7/10. We have made the digit 10 times smaller. Now we need to remember to put our decimal point in, and we are going to put a placeholder in our ones column. So 7 divided by 10 would be 0.7. Okay, let's try with 9 then. We have 9 as our whole number in our ones column. We are dividing it by 10, making it 10 times smaller, moving it into the 10th column because a 10th is 10 times smaller than a whole. And we are putting a placeholder in our ones column. Very simple for you then. You have 6 questions dividing a one-digit number by 10. If you need to draw a place value grid to help you, please do so and answer these questions in your book independently. For silver then today, you are looking at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you are drawing counters and representing showing your understanding of counters in these questions. Thinking about how many groups of 10 we are making when dividing by 10. For gold, you are moving on to reasoning and problem solving, discussing whether Dora or Alex are correct or neither of them or both. So for gold, questions 5, 6, 7 and 8. On question 7, you are looking at the inverse with some questions. So for example, something divided by 10 is 0.3, so you need to do the inverse. What's the inverse operation of division? Let's see if you can remember. Okay, and finally for platinum, a real challenge for you today. You have 3 questions. You have independently got some reasoning and problem solving to take part in, applying your understanding of dividing one-digit numbers by 10. So looking at different size vehicles, an ingredients list, and a very, very tricky sum here that I had to ask for help to complete. So let's see if you can accept this last challenge on question 3 here, using the digit cards to complete the number sentences, making sure they all make sense using your greater than, less than and equal sign. Any problems, please do contact me, octopus@watersideprimary.org.uk.